back to Pilipinas Got Talent. This is semifinals day 1.
That's right. We have witnessed 4 amazing acts tonight, and there are 2 more to go.
Susunod na ata ito, Billy Boy, ang pinakamalaking grupo na sasabak sa stage because they have about almost 30 members. 30,
30 members. Wow, dami nun ah. Madami din kaya ang mapapabilib ng Xavier University Cultural Dance Troupe. Please watch this.
Kami ang Xavier University Cultural Dance Troupe.
Noong una si Chris Aquino talaga yung kinatatakutan namin.
Kailangan namin i-please.
Tapos yung naharap na namin, tapos nag-comment na siya nung nag-audition kami, parang, ay, iba si FMG, sandali.
Grabe! Ang gaganda ng puwet nyo.
Ganda na ng puwet namin. Sabi ko nga, kung ma-perfect, almost perfect lang, kahit hindi ma-perfect, papasok at papasok ko. Parang may ganun ding, parang motivation rin yun.
I'm so happy to say that you made it.
Extreme kasi yung transformation ng grupo. Pinakamalaking achievement ng grupo. Hindi kami makapaniwala.
It's all worth the hardship. Walang tulog, sleepless nights. It's all worth it.
Wala katulad sa amin kasi Mindanao is Mindanao lang. Nasa Pilipinas lang yan. Parang yun yung ano namin, yung capital namin. Doon kami humugot ng strength.
Let us give it up for the cultural dance group who came all the way from Mindanao.
Here's Xavier University Cultural Dance Troupe.
Good job, Xavier Cultural Dance Troupe. Thank you very much. Okay, you may
Paano
step
to?
down.
Ang dami-dami nito ah.
Maraming salamat, guys. We have our spokesperson.
Hello.
Hello. Good job. Now, let me ask you, siyempre, kanina puro may dalawang batang sumayaw, may solo performers. How hard is it to perform with as much as close to 30 members?
Isa, ang pag-travel, ang dami-daming props, maraming babantayan. Ayan. At saka mahirap mag-rehearse kung marami. Ayan.
Pero ginagawan pa rin ng paraan, siyempre.
Ginagawan, of course, para sa Mindanao, para sa Ateneo, para sa Pilipinas.
It was all worth it.
Yes, of course, yes.
Good job.
May pagmamalaki talaga. Big Three, can we hear from you, please?
Oh, kasi si Boss parating sinasabi, a group will be judged by individual performances. May isa sa inyong nalaglag. Hindi nakabalance. Sino ka? Kamusta ka?
Kaya umupo na lang.
Umupo ka na lang ngayon, oo.
Tsaka nakayuko siya pagkatapos siya
Oo,
malaglag.
baka later on yung mga friends mo at ka-members mo hindi ka na kinakausap.
Hindi. Family pa rin.
Yeah.
Family
pa rin.
Pamilya pa rin.
Isa kami.
One for all for one.
Yes.
Nakita ko nagsuswimming kayo. Tama ba ako na ito
Opo.
ay Moroami?
Opo.
Tama?
Opo, parang tausug kasi yung namin. Parang doon kami influence sa matausug.
Bakit
sa
wala na yung mga bahag?
Oo, maganda pa rin sana yung performance niya, pero na-miss ko yung mga puwet niyo. Wala na siya ngayon. Nasaan yung mga bahag?
Wala nang bag kasi iba namang tribe yung dinala namin.
Ah.
Dati, native yun ng mga lumad. Ngayon sa mga Moro tribe naman, sa mga Muslim tribe.
Kaya balot na balot.
Walang bahag sa Muslim.
Oo. Moro pala to.
Ayan.
Tama.
Yes, boss?
The costumes are fantastic. It's very
Thank you.
colorful. And you're a total visual delight.
Thank you po. World class.
Ako na-miss ko yung pink. Di ba kaya ako kayo gustong-gusto dahil dun sa mga pink na suot ninyo?
Ibabalik namin yun. Pinalitan.
Maraming salamat for
Thank you.
making the effort to come here all
Thank
the
you.
way
Yes.
from Mindanao. Mabuhay nga ang Ateneo.
Mindanao,
Mabuhay ang
Pilipinas, atin
Mindanao.
to.
Good job, guys. Pero ang tanong, panahon na nga ba ng cultural dance to go mainstream? If you want Xavier University to move on to the grand finals, this is what you have to remember. PGT space Xavier.
PGT space Xavier. Tandaan nyo na yan, okay? Thank you very much, Cultural Dance Troupe. Thank you very much.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. We'll see you later on.
Mindanao.
Let's go, Billy Boy.
That's right.
Another reason to be proud, our culture and heritage.
Most definitely.
diba?
You learn a lot from Filipinas Got Talent as well. You know?
Well, eto na.